This device can be used to fix a sample to a vertical microscope stage to allow observation of the influence of gravity and floating on a sample of interest.
Attachment of this device to the stage allows the observation of sample dynamics in the vertical plane and permits the observation of temperature-dependent sample behaviors.
To fabricate the aluminum plates, use a laser processing machine to cut a 101 mm hole in the center of a 150 by 200 by 2 mm aluminum plate, to be used as the forefront plate. Make claws at 8 points around the outside of the plate to allow 2 rubber bands to be affixed across the length or the width of the plate. Next, cut a 130 mm hole in the center of a 150 by 200 by 5 mm aluminum plate to be used as the middle upper plate, and make 8 notches to allow the placement of 2 rubber bands across the length or width of the plate. Then cut a 130 mm hole in the center of a 150 by 200 by 4 mm aluminum plate to be used as the middle lower plate, and cut a 30 mm hole in the center of a 150 by 200 by 1.5 mm aluminum plate to be used as the base plate. To fabricate the pedestals, cut a 30 mm hole in the center of a 100 mm diameter, 3 mm thick aluminum plate, and make a 42 mm wide by 30 mm deep notch on one side of the plate. Then cut a 30 mm hole in the center of a 100 mm diameter, 4 mm thick aluminum plate, and drill 3 3 mm holes 25 mm from the center.